crankcase breather, which I've loosened these off, loosened the bolts off, like that, so it should slide out. Well, I've got the crankcase separator out. You see it's a filter, and we're going to do away with that. So you see it's not too bad. I've seen worse on YouTube. So I'll go and get it, and we'll go and have a look at it. Right, so that bit there pulls out. There we go. Put that there. And that comes out like that. Even an old O-ring in there, look at that. Wasn't even fitted properly. Anyway, so we will put that in the bin. I'll give that all a wipe out. Give it all a good clean. Just put that down there for a bit. That's what it should look like, a new one. But we're not going for that. We're going for this. Clean that and the seals still. So I've got spare seals there now. And that will fit in there, I think. Or would it go that way? So that will fit in there. So what I'll do, I'll change the seals, I'll show you that, then we'll have a go at fitting this. So that's the uprated doorway, and you never have to touch it again. You never have to change one of them. That sounds good to me, one less job. Right, back in a minute. Right, put the new O-ring in, give it all the clean out, bit of oil on that. This part here, which holds the filter in, does not seem to be wanted anymore, so I'm going to keep that just in case. I've put the new what's it landing now? All down and underneath there. I'll put this in, fixed lovely. Put that in there. Plus a new gasket going round. New gasket, that's the word I was after. New gasket going round in there. Cleaned it all. And now we're going to go for putting that on there. So when you come back to me, I should have it on. Right, we're all back together, nice and easy. Now, I didn't have to take that out of the way, it just went behind it. That's all that, and clip them back. But yeah, we'll see how that gets on this upgrade. I'm going to put it in the service book so I know when I've done it. And if we do, anybody else knows it's been done. So now, we're going to go on to this.